The Pacific Ocean is even bigger than we imagine. Even if a hole is made through it, crossing from one side of the earth to the other, it will still exist on the Pacific side. There are five main parts of the world, and the largest of them is the Pacific Ocean, which cover an area of 165 million square kilometers. To put this perspective, the entire land area of our world is only 148 million square kilometers. This means that the Pacific Ocean is larger than all of the Earth's mountains, deserts, forests, and islands combined. The only land within the ocean is the tiny islands, which are so small they are almost like a dot compared to the vast ocean. What makes it even more shocking is that many parts of the Pacific Oceans are unexplored by humans. If someone were to disappear in this ocean, the chances of finding them are almost impossible. But today you will hear about a real story of a person who went missing in the Pacific Ocean not for 10 or 15 days but for a full 438 days. This person unintentionally set a world record for spending the longest time alone at sea. The record for the most time spent in the ocean was set by a man named George, who survived for 438 days on a small 7-foot boat. But how did he survive all that time in the vast ocean? Let's first understand how he ended up there. On November 17, 2012, George, a 36-year-old expert fisherman from a small village on the coast of Mexico, went fishing with a friend. Their plan was to spend only 30 hours on the sea, so they did not take much with them. Just a small boat with a cooler from the fish they would catch and enough food and water for one day. Little did they know that their lives were about to take a drastic turn. They sailed 120 kilometers away from the village and cast their fishing nets. But at that moment, a ferric ocean storm arrived. In an effort to save themselves, they abandoned the fishing nets and turned back toward the village. After 6 hours of battling the wave, they were only 20 kilometers away from village and could even see their village in the distance, but their bad luck struck again. The boat's engine failed and they could not control its directions. However, they did have a radio, so they sent their location to their boss and waited for a response. But soon disaster struck. While waiting for a reply, the radio's battery died and they lost contact with the outside world. The storm pushed their boat further away from the village, and as they drifted further, their hope of rescue began to fade. They had no sport and no one could spot them from afar. They were struck in the vast empty ocean with nothing to eat but the birds that landed on their boats or a fish they managed to catch. They started drinking rainwater collected in plastic bottles, but when the rain stopped, they had to drink seawater, which could have been deadly. Days turned into the weeks and soon months passed. The mental torture they endured is unimaginable. Eventually, Joe's friends could not handle the torment and tragically took his own life on May 4, 2013. Left alone, Joe continued to survive in the ocean. During his months at sea, cargo ships passed by but none noticed him. After 6 months, Joe spotted a ship in the distance, but despite his desperate signals, the ship did not see his small boats and his hope once again slipped away. But the time 11 months has passed, their clothes were torn and his body was weakened, yet he kept fighting for survival. Finally, in January 2014, after 14 months at sea, George saw coconut trees floating in the water. He realized an island was near and swam toward it. For the first time in over a year, he stepped on the solid ground. This island was a part of Marshall Islands, about 8,000 kilometers from where he had started. His survival was nothing short of miracle. However, upon returning home, George faced another challenge. He was accused of causing his friend's death by suicide and was even taken to court. Despite this, he published a book called 438 Days, detailing his incredible survival story. It is hard to imagine what it would be like to survive for 38 days at sea, alone with no contact with the outside world and barely any resources. But Joe's story is a powerful reminder of human endurance and the vast, unpredictable power of the ocean. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like and share this video. We will meet again in the next amazing video.